Hi guys. Alright. So before starting my speech, I would like to have an exercise with you. So can I?
Why not?
Just for some time, you all have to stand up on your seat, please. Bharat Mata ki! Vande! I thought that it's right. So guys, it's a great pleasure for me to be here on the stage today, and that's all because of my dear RD sir and all my dear colleagues. Thank you for passing me the chance over here. But before starting anything, I would like to ask 3 questions to you. Can I? Alright. Are you also one of the person who gets stuck while taking any decision? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Are you? Okay. Then tell me, are you the person who feels so much hesitated, who feels self-doubt that am I eligible for it or not? Are you? Are you? Okay, means some guys are still aware of it. Alright. See guys, some guy says I am one of the intelligent over here, right? But I would like to ask you, what are your measures to check your intelligence? Okay, like whenever you are in your schools, still lot of guys are in their schools, right? So, who are intelligent students in your class? Okay. So can you tell me what are those measurements that decides that you are one of the intelligent person? Yeah, what?
I was good in speaking, I was good in writing, I was good in
Excuse me. You are using your soft skill? Don't worry.
I don't
Listen.
so.
Okay. Guys, listen. I would like to ask you some questions, but those questions you need to be asked by yourself. You don't need to answer the question I have fired. Those are self-questions you should ask yourself. See, the intelligence we measure and the things which we learn in our school time, most often our teachers measure the intelligence that we are good at our studies. I got 95% marks, I got 80% marks, I got 99% marks, means I am one of the intelligent person, right? No. In the real world, who is intelligent? Who is intelligent by their emotion? If you can understand somebody's emotion, means you can survive in this world. Because in this modern era, if you want to survive exactly, so what you require, not your marks. Okay, tell me, how many of you have passed their graduation, the 12th, most of them, right? Some ladies and some gents are sitting over here. I hope most of them you graduate, right? What are you doing with your degree? Are you using it? I am not against all this. I am in the favor. I am also saying that degree education is valid. Okay. But in the real world, where is it working for you? Is it? It is, but just for your survival. Guys, for that I have come over here today to tell you that what exactly you need. You need emotional intelligence. So let's have an EQ test of you. Have you ever asked such questions to yourself? I'm not asking to English one guys, okay? Guys, I am not asking to English one guys. I am asking to their parents. And yeah, to ladies and to gents. Guys, tell me. Excuse me sir, I would like to ask some questions to you guys. Listen. Sir, आपको क्या लगता है कभी आपने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ? किसी को लगता है मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ? खुद से पूछे, कभी खुद से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने? ओके, देखिए सर, कुछ क्वेश्चन होते हैं लाइक व्हाट्स माय स्ट्रेंथ, व्हाट्स माय वीकनेसेस, who is the person I like to live with, what are my friend circles, what are my obstacles, what's my target? Is it there to you? If it is there, so means you will have a direction. Now one more thing. The thing which I am speaking with a duration of time that you must have this thing, what's the polarity? You are still confused that what I want to speak up actually. You don't have clarity, right? Still you don't have. So guys, I am speaking about EQ. EQ means emotional intelligence. See guys, to measure your emotional intelligence, there are 4 dimensions. There are 4 dimensions to measure your intelligence, that you are intelligent or not for your real world. Okay, not for your just school life. Your real life measures within 4 parts. First, self-awareness. If the person who is aware about himself, who am I think this question sir asks approach question. Who are you? And sometimes we say, sir, I am a boy. Okay. Then sometimes say, sir, I am a student. Some say, sir, I am a buddy of my papa. Right? I know because in such kind of questions we get in our classes. Right? In English only we learn such more things which we have never learned anywhere. Right? Yes, sir. Okay. So I was talking about emotional intelligence is about first dimension, that is self-awareness. The person who is about self-aware about himself means that person can manage himself even to his family too. Okay, so the person who is aware about himself has done. What is the second dimension of emotional intelligent person? That is self-management. Guys, I want to ask you, whenever you decide to get up around 5 o'clock in the morning, I think very rarely you get up 5 o'clock. Just before some days I also tried to get up 4 o'clock, but what happened? I set 3 alarms. One for before 4 o'clock, one sharp 4 o'clock and one after 4 o'clock. Okay, 3 alarms I set and I decided that I get up, so I got up before 4 o'clock. Okay, so these were my self-management skills that I applied on myself. Are you self-managed? Did you ask this question to yourself ever? Are you self-managed person? Do you still get trouble while taking any decision? I asked this question to you, right, in the starting of my speech. Why? Because this is the prominent problem of this particular youth right now. It's like Arvind was all about youth and about its truth, right? So what is the problem? That they are not having direction. They are unable to take their decisions. This is the reason they are not self-managed. Another reason, if you are self-managed, self-aware, then you can be socialized. So third dimension of EQ skills, that is social awareness. Okay. If why sir says to go and market more and more, right? For what thing we are doing such things, right? Sir says, okay, you came, okay, now tell me what your friend says about it. When you meet the particular stranger, what your experience is, what is that? That is actually your social skills. Understood? So what are your social skills? You need things to draw your social skills. That is first, listening, and second, observation. If you can identify, listen guys, if you can identify someone's body language, that speaks absolute truth. Body language never speaks a lie. I'm telling you guys, if you are able to read someone's body language, means you are going to get what front body is going to speak. And the fourth dimension of social skills and EQ skills is relationship management. See, for all these things which I told, if you will follow these, so you will be intelligent person. Are you now intelligent person? So I hope this information will be helpful for you, and thanks to you all, and keep reading and keep learning guys, because learning never stops. Thank you.